Welcome to VOS classes. In this series of lectures, we are going to cover current affairs for UPSC 2021. In this particular class, we are going to cover three topics which are related to species, and these all are related to turtles or what you can say tortoise. Here we will cover olive ridley turtles, travancore turtles, and peacock soft shell turtles. These three were in news because of various reasons. In last class, we have seen one topic, that is the Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. It's in UP, and it was in news because it has won one award. It's a global award. And apart from Pilibhit Tiger Reserve, there are other national parks like Dudhwa, etc., mainly in Gangetic Plain, and Gangetic region is one of the uh, biodiversity hotspot in the world. So let's begin our today's class, and it's presented by me, Ravindra Maurya. So today's class we are going to cover three topics, and one of them is olive ridley turtles. This is the species. This is from image from internet. Why this was in news? Because in India, recently it has found that in the eastern coast of India, there are mass nesting of these oil ridley turtles, and this is the smallest species, and it is found in all the seas in the world, Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. And as I said, there is mass nesting in eastern coast of India. We will see the location of that also, and the mass nesting is called Arivada. This term Arivada. Remember this the terminology used to indicate mass nesting of these turtles. In IUCN list it as a vulnerable, and site also include it in Appendix 1, and Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 also listed it in Schedule 1 of it. In India, Rusiculia Rukeri coast is in Gunjam Ganjam district of Odisha. It's in eastern coast. Recently, this is found that there are mass nesting by these turtles, mass nesting or arivada, and these are the species. These are very small species, even smallest in turtles. And this is the location where it is found. See, this is the Odisha eastern coast. This is the Puri, and this is the Mahanadi River. And below that, we have found mass nesting of this turtle. And next is Travancore tortoise. This is the body that we are going to talk about. IUCN lists it as a vulnerable, and Wildlife Protection Act lists it in Schedule 4 of Wildlife Protection Act. Its distribution is in Western Ghat in Indian states of Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. This is not found everywhere, and because of this, locality it named Travancore tortoise. We have seen Travancore is a famous place from ancient time. We have seen Travancore rulers, all others in your ancient and medieval history. So this is all about Travancore tortoise. And there was one more species, peacock soft-shelled turtles. Here the thing is, the name itself indicate its feature. Peacock soft-shelled turtles. It appears like a turtle peacock means its body is colored like a peacock body as you can see in the picture. There was a news that it was rescued from Assam fish market. Into 2020 there was a news related to elephant because of which UPSC also asked in prelims a question related to elephant. You must have read about firecrackers which was consumed by elephant and later he died. Similarly, there may be a possible questions from this topic also. IUCN lists it as a vulnerable and Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 also lists it in Schedule 1 of it, and sites also list it in Appendix 1. It's let's talk about its features. It it have they have a large head, downturned snout with low and oval carapace of dark oval green to near back. Sometimes it's with a yellow rim. We will see the picture of it little bit later. Heads and limbs are oval green, as you can see in the pictures, and these are the basic features it may ask in UPSC by framing a statement 1, 2, 3, and you have to choose best alternatives. So please remember these features, and its location is confined to India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Out of these three coast or in these three countries, it do not do not found. So its location is very restricted to India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. So in India particularly, it is a widespread in northern and central part of Indian subcontinent. It lake in southern part of India, but it's a very common thing that are available in northern and central part, and these are found in river, stream, lake, pond with mud or sand bottoms. Remember these all points. These may be very important for your prelims. This is one another picture of the same species. This is the grain. This is the little bit greenish, and this is somewhat yellowish. This was the all about this class. Thank you.